Welcome to the crypto nest. As you can see, our crypto bubble today are pretty much red, light red, some dark red, but majority, it's red. Now let's jump onto some news. Thailand launches retail CBDC pilot project. So as you can see, every few weeks and every month we have some news about some countries that they try to set their CBDC. This is not an isolated event. It's a general trend, and I would say within 10 years, the next 10 years, every country will have their CBDC. Now it's up to us, customer and retailers and citizen, to embrace and or reject this CBDC. For sure, a country they can force us to use them. But then if we have other options like crypto that they are more, let's say, private, then we have a plan B. Because let's face it, we need money, we need cash. Oh, well, if they take out cash, well, it's okay, fine. I'll use a CBDC to do my grocery, but at least I can pick and choose when I'm going to use my CBDC and when I'm going to use my crypto. So I keep my privacy and my freedom of spending my money without being watched all the time. So I find this is more I don't know how to say it, but I don't want to be against the government, or but this I find it's a good middle way of approaching things. I can use CBDC for what I want. What for the things I find that is not important, if the government can track me down, if I eat a lot of carrots, well, I don't mind. If government can say, hey, look at that guy, he eat a lot of carrots, who cares? But if I had other purchases and I find that it's more private, then yeah, well, I would like to have that option. All right, so next news, it's BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF. Not the same as grayscale products. You see, they already make the difference. And why is that? Why is different? Well, because no kidding, BlackRock is the biggest investment vehicle of the world. And now I don't remember if it was 10 or 11 trillions that they manage. So if they want something, I think they will get it. So just to have a stats, like in sports, right? What are the chances, what are the odds that they're going to succeed? Well, in the last 576 requests of ETF, 575 got granted. So what are the odds that this ETF is going to be rejected? Well, I would say pretty slim that they're going to reject that one, because they're big, they know people, they know people where it counts, and they will just make it happen. So like Nike slogan, just do it. Well, I think they will do it. Okay, now let's jump into Bitcoin. Now I did had this scenario of that we already reached. Oh my god, why I did that? That we already reached these 5 waves. I put them on a side now. Why is that? Well, it's pretty simple. Well, first of all, because let's remember that this was our first wave 1 and 2, and the third wave, ideally for Fibonacci extension, should be the 1.618, and it coincides with this level here. Let me put it on the 1 hour so it make even more sense. So now, if this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and this is the wave 3, now, as you can see, all this is a wave 4. Well, first of all, if the second wave is very short, the fourth wave is going to be long. Check. We're having a very well, not very, but a long, boring wave 4. Okay, so that works with that. Now, I didn't see yet a very nice A, B, C. So, but you can see now that you can see this triangle, side triangle that we're forming, and then so from the top of the wave 3, we can do a actually again with the letters, but should be numbered. So 1, it doesn't really matter, but 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And as you can see now, yeah, it works band on. And honestly, just now that I'm doing this video, I just realized that we're breaking out from this trend. So are we going for this fifth wave? I think so, okay? Because if we were doing, if this was a wave 5, we wouldn't, the structure is not good, because usually after the fifth wave we have a wave A, and wave A is going to be impulsive, and this is corrective. So yeah, I would say 90% this is confirmed wave 4, and now this is going to be the fifth wave. As you can see now, once again, we're having an impulsive movement, so that's great. What would be the ideal target? The minimum target for it would be 27,774. And when we reach that, for sure we can go even higher, because we are crypto, and crypto, they skyrocket. But if at this level we see some resistance, then I'm going to prepare for this corrective movement. So once again, now this is not good anymore, but if now I'm going to make some crystal ball reading, just to have an idea. So let's say that we really reach this level at 27,775, let's say. Now after that we are going to have a B, and a C, and the C, it should go around this area between 26,266 and 25,400. Now the other thing it's important to know, it's that often the wave C will end around the wave, the previous wave 4, which is this level here. So it wouldn't be surprising that we just reach the 26,300 level. And then, so I'm going to put it here. Seriously? Come on. Okay. So I'm going to put the wave C there, and then we'll see in a few weeks how it did play out. All right. So for the moment, anyway, very nice impulsive movement. Let's remember the fifth wave, it will have 5 impulsive movement to the upside. So I believe this is the first one. Maybe you're already doing this beginning of wave 2 correction, who knows. Let me put it into the 15 minutes. Okay, so now, well, we just started, I guess, but you can see that now, anyway, now it's too early, but you can see that, price is being suppressed a little bit already. So we can maybe see the beginning of our first corrective movement. Now, I'm going to go on the 4 hours and check some indicators, if internet allow me. Yeah, okay, so 4 hours, we're almost oversold. We're just doing a green candle on the MACD. The most important one, once again, is the daily one, because it gives you really the long-term trend. And what should we expect from Bitcoin? Well, RSI, it's at 53, so what should we expect? Well, higher prices. And then, as you can see, also the MACD, we're in a positive momentum and making bigger candles day after day. So yeah, so I would say now this is the reversal time. For a moment, bears, they didn't push enough to suppress the price, and we're going higher. So let's see how it goes. Already, it's a good news, because we're already busting the level of our third wave. So that's another sign that more likely this another confirmation that we can add that probabilities are that we're making this fifth wave. All right, so many good news finally today, and then yeah, so it's very encouraging. Now, the more you see news about crypto is going to die, crypto is dead, altcoin, they're going to go to zero, well, the more I feel energized and motivated to buy more. In fact, today I bought some a little bit more of fetch. More likely I'm going to do a little bit more shopping soon. Now, I think I skipped something here. Yeah, Sorry, this is the most important one, guys. I almost forgot. All right, so starting from 1st of July, Celsius is going to be liquidating customer altcoin holding. So the proceed from the sale will be converted to Bitcoin and Ethereum. So what does it mean? It means that the Celsius, they're going to liquidate all their altcoin that they have on their portfolio, or actually customer portfolios, and then yeah, swipe them to Bitcoin and Ethereum. This couldn't be the worst time, because they could have done that last year when the altcoins they were higher, but no, they are doing that today, like next month, when they're going to be more likely, or maybe just recovering, or they're still going to go lower. So that's crazy. So what are the holding that they have? So let me go here. So they have Chainlink, Litecoin, Polkadot, Bitcoin Cash, Aave, BNB. I think there is even, yeah. All right, so let me go here. So Matic, that's really unfortunate, because they have a lot of Matic. So Celsius Network hold around 51.8 million worth of Matic token. So 1st of July, now we need to see if they're doing this sell off properly, or they're just going to dump the market with all these shares. If they do it responsibly, well, for sure the price is going to be suppressed, so it will prevent price to go higher. But at least if they do it slowly, is not going to affect too much the price. But if they if they just spread over like huge amounts of sell orders in the market, then they're going to drown the market and suppress the price. So another thing, it's Cardano ADA. They are holding approximately 26.2 millions worth of ADA. So that's another. Actually, I'm less worried with Matic, because Matic, I don't remember what's the price today. I think it's 60, something like that. Matic 62. Okay, so it's not bad. We still have a lot of. Let me go and check the. Okay, so as you can see, eventually, when we have data, well, our lower low was around 30 cents. So even if we suppress a little bit more, we still have some, I don't know, I would say 30 cents gap to go lower and not make a new lower low. Now, I cannot say the same thing for ADA, because ADA, we just made a new lower low. So yeah, that's the only concern that I have. You see, we did a new bear market low on the 10th of June. So that is concerning, because when is going, well, if they don't do this sell-off properly, then it can be very bad for ADA, and we're going to actually maybe reach those 17 cents or even 14 cents. All right, so you want to be aware of this situation, especially I would say almost soon, because a lot of time these news, these events, they're start to get already priced into the coins. So let's see, because yeah, it can drive the price down, but maybe it's already like, if they do it properly, maybe we're just going to move on the side, and after that, well, I know there is a lot of whales that are accumulating anyway, so we'll see about that. Chainlink, honestly, I don't mind, because I am expecting, I'm waiting for a new lower low. So yeah, so it's because I believe if we do a little bit of micro counting, this was the 3, this is the 4, we're missing a last leg down. So for that, I'm aiming about $4.40, and let's see if we actually manage to get there. You can see that we were oversold. Now we're tipping into the oversold levels. Also, yeah, the momentum is reversing a little bit. So let's see. It's unsure, right? But maybe the 1st of July, you know, if things are not done properly and responsibly, yeah, some coin they will continue suffer, unfortunately. Okay, this started to be a long video. It was supposed to be only Matic and news, Bitcoin and Bitcoin news, but now I spread it up a little bit. But hopefully, well, you now you are aware that what's going to happen on the 1st of July, so you can do your own strategy, be aware, and maybe pay attention to beginning of July. All right, so this is all for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.